Hello students, today we are going to solve fourth numerical of vertical alignment. Question is given as a valley curve is formed by a descending gradient of 1 in 30 meeting an ascending gradient of 1 in 30. The length of valley curve to fulfill both comfort condition and headlight sight distance requirements for a design speed of 60 km is dash meter. Take allowable rate of change of centrifugal acceleration, that is C, equals to 0.6 meter per second cube. Now we have to find the length of valley curve, for which first of all we need to calculate the value of capital N. So N1 will be equals to 1 by 30. On solving this we will get the value as 0.033. Similarly N2 will be equals to 1 by 30 and it will be equals to 0.033. We have to find the value of capital N, which will be equals to N1 plus N2. On solving this we will get the value as 0.066. That will be the value of capital N. Now C is given as 0.6 meter per second cube. First of all we need to calculate the stopping side distance, which will be equals to 0.278 V into TR plus V square upon 254 F. Now the value of V is given in the question, that is 0.278. V will be equals to 60 and the reaction time will be equals to 2.5 plus the value of V is given as 60 whole square upon 254 into the value of F is given as 0.35. On solving this we will get the value as 82.19 meter. That will be the stopping side distance. Now we have to calculate the length of valley curve, which will be equals to ns square upon 1.5 plus 0.035 s according to the headlight sight distance. Now we will put the value of capital N as 0.066. The value of S is already calculated, that is 82.19 whole square upon 1.5 plus 0.035 into 82.19. On solving this we will get the value of length of valley curve equals to 101.868 meter. That will be the length of valley curve as per the headlight sight distance. Now we have to calculate the length of valley curve as per the comfort condition. So as per comfort condition, the length of valley curve will be equals to 0.378 under root of NV cube. Now the value of N is already calculated, which will be equals to 0.066 and the value of V is given as 60 whole cube. On solving this we will get the answer as 60 cube into 0.066 under root of answer into 0.378. It will be equals to 45.13 meter. That will be the length of valley curve as per the comfort condition. So length of valley curve will be equals to 101.868 meter. That will be the complete answer of this question. Thank you very much, students.